Welcome to our YouTube channel, Best English Trainer. In this video, we'll be discussing 3 important prepositions which were asked in previous examinations. Okay, let's look into the first question. She does not listen to me because she is senior than me. So in this question, we need to find the mistake. So generally, we need to understand the concept. So whenever if you come across a word called as senior, junior, inferior, superior, preferable, prefer, anterior, posterior. So these words, whenever we come across in a sentence, after this word, generally all these are going to be the adjectives. After these words, we generally use to and not than. But here, than has been used. So we'll remove this than and we'll try to write it down to here, and that would be right answer over there. Okay. Now, here we have 2 words, anterior and posterior. Now, what is this anterior? So the students who have studied the biology as their main subject will understand or would have idea regarding this anterior and posterior. Now we'll try to understand what is this. For example, just think it as an animal. So this animal has 4 legs, fine. Now this is head. Now this head part is called as the anterior side of the body, anterior part of the body. Now this animal has even a tail, and this is called as the posterior part of body altogether, posterior. So we have the anterior and also we have the posterior over there. Now after anterior or posterior, now what shall we use? Shall we use than or shall we use to? Means just try to use to, that will be right answer. Than would be wrong over there. Okay, now see the second question. The bullets penetrated into his body. Now for this particular question, we need to find out the mistake. Generally, the bullets penetrated into. So into is extra over here, remove it. Why so? Because penetrated means already it has pierced into the skin or body. Then in that particular sense, we'll be saying it as penetrated. Now, why are you using again into over there? So just remove into over there and just write it down as just penetrated. That will be well and good. So finally, where is the mistake in this? Option B has the mistake. In the first question, where is the mistake? Option C has the mistake. See in our third question now. Mr. Ram is awaiting for his intermediate board exam results. Now this is the question and we need to find out the mistake in this. So generally we have awaiting for. So awaiting for, we write waiting for. Waiting for is 100% right, but never say awaiting for. So if you are saying awaiting for means altogether, it's altogether a mistake. So how to write it down now? Waiting for is right, but when you want to write awaiting for, remove for. Just make it as awaiting. Right? Now, Mr. Ram is awaiting his intermediate board exam results would be right answer. So why so? Because we have removed for here. Now finally, we need to find out which sentence has a mistake. So finally, option B has mistake over there. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, Best English Trainer. Thank you.